Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today, we are going to start a very interesting story in your English literature. So, open your books to page number 37. You can see the heading The Camel and the Car. Now, this is an imaginary story about a car and the camel. They both are talking to each other. Now, it will be very interesting to learn this story. So, let's get started quickly. Now, it was a Sunday in the town of Aziz. Which town? Aziz. Shopkeepers had set out lemons and clothes to sell near the road. Now, what the shopkeepers were selling? Lemons and clothes. Suddenly, pap pap came a noisy car down the road. Now what happened? Suddenly a car making noise of pap pap came a noisy car down the road. These cars are wonderful things, thought Ali, the camel driver, as he looked at the car go by. Now what happened? A man you can see in this image, while he was taking his camel, he thought that these cars are wonderful things. That that night, Ali's camel, Sultan, and the car rested in the same shed. Now, what was the name of Ali's camel? Sultan. They started walking and found that they both were traveling to the town of Zillah the next day. Now, what happened? The camel and the car were talking, and what they found that they are going to the same town. What is the name of the town? Zillah. My driver and I will get there very fast. We will surely be faster than you, boosted the car. Now, what happened? The car said to the camel that my driver and I will get there very fast, even faster than you. Now, what do you mean by boosted? Spoke proudly. एम किए ना कि होशियारी that way. Now, the next day, it was Sultan and Ali who left first. They traveled through places of dry rock and sand. As you can see in the image, they are walking in a desert. So, what do you have in desert? Dry rock and sand. As the sun rose higher in the sky, it became hotter and hotter. Suddenly, they heard behind them on the road, pap pap. Now, who is it? The car came again. The noisy little car overtook them at a high speed. Now, what happened? The car came in a very high speed and even passed by them. Means car was moving more speedily than them. Hurry up, it called to Sultan. You will never reach Zillah at this speed. And it drove off down the road. Now, what happened? It came and said to Sultan, do fast, or else you will not reach the place called Zillah. And it went off in a high speed. Ali and Sultan walked on for some time. Soon they heard pap pap pap. The sound of the car's horn were sad. Now what happened? Before, the car's horn was like in proud that I am a car, I will reach fast, I have high speed. But now the sound which the car made was seemed to be little sad. Ali and Sultan followed the sound and reached the car. The man in the car was looking very angry. Now what happened? They followed the sound and they reached to the car. The man who was driving the car was very angry. I have run out of petrol, the car explained sadly. Now what the car said? I have run out of petrol means I have no petrol left. Ali could not help the car, but he offered to take the man into town on his camel. Now, what happened? Ali could not help the car, but he said to the man that I will take you to the town on my camel. It was evening when Ali Sultan and the man reached the gate of Zilla. But the car had to spend the night alone in the desert. It learned that although the desert is hot by day, it is cold by night. The little car felt very cold. I wish I had not boosted so much, it said sadly. Now, what happened? In desert regions, it is very hot during day and very cold at night. So, the little car was feeling very cold. And what it said? It said that I wish I would have not boosted so much, and it was very sad. When the sun rose the next morning, the little car felt very lonely. Why? Because it was left alone in the desert. But soon Sultan and Ali came to help the car. Ali tied ropes to the car and Sultan pulled it towards Zilla. The little cart said, "Pap, pap," in thanks. What happened? Although car told the camel that I am faster than you, I am good than you, he boosted so much, but still, camel means Sultan and Ali came back and took the little car towards Zilla to his master. So, what we learn from this story is we should not boost ourselves because we don't know when we'll be in trouble, and at that time no one will come to help us. Sultan and Ali were kind hearted people, so they came to help the car. But in place of them, if someone else would be, they will not go to help. So, moral of this story is we should not boost ourselves. We should always help others and be kind to others. Okay, everyone? Understood? Fine. If you still have any problem or question regarding this lesson, you can ask me. Okay? Bye everyone. Take care.